So this one should be pretty quick and simple. It's really just to put a word to something that you might be looking for. In any target language, you obviously want to know how to do things, how to say that you are doing things, that you want things, or that there are things. But what about when you want to say that there are not, that you have none, that you do not? What you're talking about here is negation. So instead of looking up like how to say no, I have none, there are no, or we have never, things like that, these different degrees of negation, instead of looking up one-off examples and trying to make it make sense based on the collage of stuff that you find, you might have a better time just looking up your target language, negation, and going with what you find there. Chances are you're going to find a much more concise and complete reference that answers your questions, points out generalities, and hopefully some specifics. I really hope that made sense. I hope that clarified something, and maybe, just maybe, it put a term to something that you've been looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Like this video if you liked it. Leave a question and a comment if something is still unclear. Check out my books on Amazon. Subscribe if you want more stuff like this, and I hope I will see you in the next one.